Hi there, welcome back to the Top Percentile YouTube channel. I am Aditya Sridhar, an alumnus of JBIMS. Finally, the hall ticket for the second attempt is out. We are just 1 week away from the second attempt and finally hall ticket निकल गया है. इसमें आपको अभी पता चलेगा your slot. There are two slots, the morning slot and the afternoon slot, and the city and तालुका जिधर आपका center है. So the first thing that you should do is, in case you have a center that is different from your city, you should book your stay and travel. So please do that immediately. Uske alawa, the other thing that you need to do is take mocks in the time slot of your examination so that you train your mind and body to be active during that time. So this is what you need to do. 5th May ko you'll get the exact venue of your exam. And for updates like this, do subscribe to the Top Percentile YouTube channel because you will ensure कि आपका कोई भी update from the CT cell, from JBIMS, from SITM miss नहीं हो. So don't forget to subscribe. And since we are just 1 week away from the exam, do comment below your target percentile, जो भी percentile आप target कर रहे हो based on your preparation, based on your expectations. Comment that below the video. Let's manifest that percentile together, and a reminder for you to give it your all in this last week. All the best. I'll see you guys in the next video.